Oh my goodness, look at the snow. Let's build a snowman. Here we go. Oh wow, y'all are doing such a good job. Wow. Look at that. Hi. All right, we're running low on batteries.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll build the head.
You build the head.
I'll have a hole in it.
Is the head built?
Hey, I'll put the corn in.
That is a carrot, Ryan.
A carrot. I'll put the carrot in.
Oh, look at our snowman. Oh, a beautiful snowman in the beautiful snow. All right, stand beside your snowman. Wave.